من يرد الله به خيرا يفقهه في الدين.
حمدا ومصليا أما بعد. My dear brothers, today just I wanted to share one idea which I have in my mind. It is that the Fuqaha Ummah, even Darul Deoband's Hadrat Muftiyan, have allowed to put the mature children, the children who have the sense of you passing urine or passing motion, that this is the place where we should not pass urine, we should not release our motion. They have this sense. Nearly 5-year, 6-year-olds children. They should be allowed to come in the masjid and perform salah. And if there is any concern, any risk of losing them or creating problem, beating each other or making voice which may disturb the musalliyan, so it is better to take them in the rows in the saf with adults, especially in metro cities where we have so many children and we don't know the children of each other, and the child may lose his way or he may do something which is harmful for his life. But if we are taking them on the condition that they know overall respect of a masjid, then we should allow them to stand beside us. For example, a person is taking his child, 5-year, 6-year child, he can take him and he make him stand beside him. No problem. Sometimes I realize that we consider our children, even 10-year children, as they are not the part of us. And the entire masjid sometimes rings with thunder, with a scolding voice. We scold, rebuke them in a manner as they are not Muslims. They have entered the place which is very sacred for us, and they are not eligible for that. Sometimes it happens that the children, they stand in their rows, and then when they go in ruku or in sajda, they beat each other. Then someone cries, someone abuses, someone beats badly. Then after Salam, again we start crying. Who did this? Who did this? Who did this? Quote. Who has brought him? Who has brought him? Then the entire time of this very important ibadah is disturbed. So therefore my request is to practice what our Fuqaha Azam have permitted, that is to take our mature children beside us. They will learn namaz and they will perform namaz, they will let us perform salah peacefully. May Allah give us tawfiq to practice this. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.